In this video, I will show you how to turn on your Sony TV without the remote control. Now, this can be very useful, especially if you misplaced your Sony TV remote control, or for some reasons, the remote control of your Sony TV is not just working. Now, over here, I have the Sony Bravia Google TV, but it doesn't matter the type of Sony TV you have, whether you have the Sony Bravia Android TV, the Sony Bravia Google TV, or even the old Sony Bravia TV. This simple tutorial will still guide you to turn on or switch on any Sony TV you have without the remote control. And to do this, basically you want to go ahead and look for the power button that is just below the Sony logo on your Sony TV. Now, in most Sony TVs, this power or menu button is just located below the Sony logo over here at the bottom of the TV. But in some models of Sony TV, you might actually find it on the right hand side or on the left hand side of the TV. Just go and look for the power button at the back of the right hand side or left hand side of your Sony TV. If you do not find it there, check just below the Sony logo at the bottom of the TV over here. Now, once you locate that button, you want to go ahead and just tap on it once, and as long as your TV is actually connected to the power source, then your Sony TV will automatically turn on. So I have just pressed the power button on my Sony TV over here. You can literally see the light at the bottom. Now give it some minutes and automatically the TV should turn on by itself. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.